নমস্কার, আমি তানিয়া, শান্তিনিকেতন ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং ইউনিট নকশিকাঁথা থেকে। আজকে আমি কিছু নতুন হ্যান্ড এক্সক্লুসিভ কাঁথা স্টিচ শাড়িজ দেখাবো। জেনারেলি আমরা ফেসবুকে লাইভ শোজ করে থাকি, ইউটিউবে ভিডিওস বানিয়ে থাকি। তো কিছু জনের লাইভ শো থেকে বুকিং নিতে খুব অসুবিধা হয়, তো তাদের জন্য আমরা কিছু ছোট্ট ছোট্ট ভিডিও নিয়ে এসেছি। মানে সঙ্গে কিছু খুব সুন্দর শাড়ি, নতুন কনসেপ্ট, মেটেরিয়াল সব রকম থাকছে, পিওর গাছি তসর, পিওর সিল্ক, পিওর বিষ্ণুপুরি হ্যান্ডলুম সিল্ক। আজকে আমি তার সঙ্গে আরো কিছু নতুন মিক্স অ্যান্ড ম্যাচ দেখাবো। সেটা হচ্ছে ফ্রেঞ্চ নট, কিছু কাট ওয়ার্ক, কিছু গুড়ি রান, কিছু আরি স্টিচ, আর কিছু মিরর ওয়ার্কের মধ্যেও থাকবে। তো চলো আমি শুরু করি দেখাতে। আজকে প্রথম শাড়ি একটা পিওর ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্কের উপরে, প্রাইস থাকছে 8000। একদম মিনাকারি একটা কাঁথা, খুব সুন্দর কাঁথাটা। মানে দেখলে হয়তো, কাছ থেকে না দেখলে হয়তো একটু অবাকই হতে হবে যে এতটা মানে ধৈর্য একজন শিল্পীর। এটা হচ্ছে আঁচল, আর এইভাবে পুরো কাজটা যাবে, পুরো অল ওভার কাজ হলো এরকম। এটা কিন্তু কমপ্লিটলি কাঁথা ওয়ার্ক, ভেরি ইন্ট্রিকেট, ভেরি মাইনিউট ওয়ার্ক। এইরকম একটা শাড়ি বানাতে মিনিমাম 8 মাস, ম্যাক্সিমাম অনেকটা দিন সময় লাগে। The material is pure Bangalore silk with silk mark. This saree took minimum 8 months, maximum more than 1 year also. Sometimes it takes that much of time. See this intricate work. It's a meenakari katha, very nice combination, off-white with black thread all over this look. Very smart. Those who are in profession, those who have to attend so much of meetings or seminars, this combination is very much perfect for them. It's very corporate and very unique collection. See, these are all are hand katha stitch. Price 8000. This is the blouse. All saree has blouse pieces running 1 meter. Now another, the price is 9500. Material is pure gachi tasar. Material is pure gachi tasar. See this saree, these all are very thoughtful katha. We always want to show something new to you, যাতে করে কি হবে, কেউ যেন কাঁথাতে বোর না হয়, কাঁথা যেন সব সময় চিরদিন সবার ভালো লাগা থেকে যায়। তো এই হলো আঁচল। এই শাড়িগুলো এমন, এটা কমপ্লিট ড্রেপ না করলে এর প্যাটার্ন কিন্তু বোঝানো খুব মুশকিল। আমি একটু এইভাবেও দেখাই। এটাতে হ্যান্ড পেন্টিং উইথ ব্লক and with katha mix and match. The maximum part of this one is katha. This part is Madhubani hand painting. This part also hand painting. I will show you in close up so that you will get all the detailings of where it is stitched or where it is hand painted or block print. Material is pure gachi tasar. Price 9500. Check the design. একটা হাঁস দিয়ে ডিজাইনটা করা, অপূর্ব সুন্দর। একদম মানে আমি অন্যভাবে শাড়িটা করার চেষ্টা করেছি, যাতে একটা হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং এর সাথে কাঁথা করে একদম একটা ক্যানভাস লাগে, আর্ট পিস লাগে। এই হচ্ছে আঁচল। দিস অল আর হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং। আর দিস ইজ দ্য কুচির পার্ট। কুচির পার্টটা এরকম, এইভাবেও আমি দেখাচ্ছি, জাস্ট কালার কম্বিনেশন গুলো দেখবে, খুব সুন্দর কুচির পার্টটা। দিস ইজ দ্য প্লিট পার্ট। মেটেরিয়াল পিওর গাছি তাসার, এন্ড এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ। আমি একটু বাংলা আর একটু ইংরেজি, অল্প অল্প ভাঙা ভাঙা ইংরেজিতে বলবো আজকে, যাতে সবার বুঝতে একটু সুবিধা হয়, কারণ অনেকেই আছেন যারা বাংলা বুঝতে পারেন না। Now another very signature collection of Nokshi Katha, that is polka dot with katha. It's a very smart combination. Material is 4-ply kattan silk. It's a very high quality kattan silk. This is the pallu part. All sari has silk mark, and all over the sari will go this way with katha work. I think this combination is very up to the mark. I think very nice combination. That is black and white, and this is polka dot with meenakari katha. See, very smart color combination. Price I forgot to mention. Price is 8800. Price is 8800. The blouse. Now another pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar on fusion katha, very artistic katha. See this one. This is the aanchal part. Pure Gachi Tasar. Pure Gachi Tasar with completely hand work, with the fusion of hand block print. But we create a magic with katha, with this hand block print. Yes, close up. You can see these all are hand katha. Even this area, even this area, even this paisley area. Completely katha. See this paisley design. See the border. Very smart border. Very smart border. Here goes the aanchal or pallu. I'm showing you the blouse. Blouse is very nice. It's a bond trade. This is the blouse. See, 9800 is the price. Pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Very smart combination. This is a very smart combination. Midnight blue, and the thread color we have used is a silver. See, the double tone of silver. Pure Bangalore silk. Pure Bangalore silk. Throughout 2.5 meter, all over the sari will go this design. And in your pleats part, you will get minimum 18-inch border in your pleat part. See this portion. Very smart combination. In katha, this is the combination we call silver. See, 8800 is the price with silk mark, pure Bangalore silk with blouse. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. See the blouse part. Very nice color combination. This combination is evergreen. You can wear in any age. Now we have experiment with the fabric also. See this one. It's a Chanderi silk with Banarasi border. Those who want something new in katha, except rather than silk and tasar, they can try this one. It's a Chanderi silk, cotton silk, very high quality silk with Banarasi border like this. This portion I am showing you is the pallu portion, and see the hand painting part. It's a beautiful color effect. Very summery color, but still it's gorgeous because of this jari border. It's hand woven. This part we have used French katha, French with katha, French knot with katha, with some little touch of French sequence. Yes, those who want to gift their mom or ma, মাকে যদি কেউ শাড়ি দিতে চাও, যে একটু সিল্ক পরতে মাদের অসুবিধাই হয়, বলেন ভারী শাড়ি দিস না, ভারী শাড়ি পরি না, তো এটা কিন্তু একদম খুব ভালো একটা অপশন হবে, কারণ খুব কমফোর্টেবল, মানে কাপড়টা এত ভালো। দেখো 6800 is the price only, 6800। খুব সুন্দর একটা, খুব মানে একদম নতুন কনসেপ্ট। ভালো লাগলে নিশ্চয়ই please don't forget to feedback us with comment, because this is the only part we can communicate with each other, that is the comment box, comment section. So please do comment us, do feedback us. Thank you. So the price is 6800. Sir, blouse. See the border, it's a broad border, around 12 inch or 10 inch border with zari. Okay, 6800 is the price. Now another very nice saree I am showing you. Pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. This is the achol. Achol is completely cut work. It's a hand cut work, okay? It's a hand cut work. Price is 7200. Price is 7200, and in the yoke part you will get a half circle with this hand cut work. This is not machine made, this is completely hand with hand ari sequence work. 7200, pure Jari Tasar with small sequin all over your saree. See, the blouse has also cut work. 7200 is the price. It's a pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar with zari border, with sequin all over Ari embroidery, and this is the blouse. Okay, 7200. Now pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar with zari border. Very nice color. It's a very uncommon color. It's a chocolate color. See, this part is aanchol. You already know, because it's very typical in Jari Tasar. See, completely katha work. 9200 is the price. Pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. The color is very unique color. And see this work portion. This will come in the yoke part. It's a bird design, and this is the border part, all over katha, with zari border. It's a 9200. Silent korte 9200. And I'm showing you the blouse. It is a very interesting and very cute blouse pieces. This one is the blouse, all over katha. 8800. Material is pure Vishnupuri Katan silk and red and white dye, and all over katha. Those who are waiting for for this saree, please check this video. It's all over. See the work. It's like a carpet. Very intricate work. I'm showing you in drape part. Wow. Very pretty. Red and white. I mean, it look always very nice. Especially for women, red is a very powerful color. It's showing. See, very nice colors. See the work quality. Very nice and intricate work, and this part also all over katha. It's all over katha. There is no places left. This is the blouse. 8800 Vishnupuri 2-ply kathan silk. Now another combination for this Chanderi silk with Zari Banarasi border. As I said, those who want to try something new in katha, those who have a lot of silk, tassar, they can definitely go for this one. So Zari border, handloom. See, very nice color combination. We have tried something new, something different. Hope you will like. Please send us feedback on the comment box, and if you like our video, please do share. See. Price for this one also 6800. See the color of the border. It's a handloom. Close up. See the close up. It's a zari border, hand woven completely. We have used French knot and katha and with sequin work all together. See the color combination, very nice color combination, and this is the blouse. Wow, see the blouse, very nice color. 6800 is the price. Okay, now another pure Gachi by Gachi tassar. Price is 8990. Price is 8990. See, wow. All are very exclusive. It's not like a regular sari or something. Those have only border and pallu concept. These are completely different. There is no particular pattern, only art piece, only a bunch of new thoughts, something like that. Pure Gachi by Gachi tassar. This way it will go your pleat part. I will show you our last fold, which is close to the blouse piece. Very nicely done, that part also. See. H990 is the price. Pure Gachi by Gachi tassar. I'm showing you the last part. See. It is a long border with completely katha work. This is the blouse. Price is 8990. Now another cut work on pure Gachi by Gachi tassar with hand jari and hand painting. Price is 7800. Price for this one is 7800. The pallu has completely cut work with sequins, with mirror work. To close up. See the close up. And all over the sari will go like this. It has a hand ari. It has a hand ari with a soft pink color caught piping with sequin work all over the sari. Something different. These are something really different. 7800 is the price. 7800. This cutwork part is going like this corner to corner pattern, along with the ari handwork with mirror. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. See. Now pure Vishnupuri 2-ply silk. See the color, it's a rainbow color, very nice color, and the base color is a dark wine color, and this color goes in the pallu. Vishnupuri 2-ply silk. And this saree has a twist. In the pleat part, there is a rainbow dye. See. This will come in the pleat part. And in the body, you will get this wine color. Very uncommon combination. Rainbow color with wine color. Yes, price I am telling you. Price is 9500. Price is 9500. See the closer. Very intricate work on Vishnupuri 2-ply silk. And this is the blouse. So blouse, pleats and aanchal will be rainbow, and in the body you will get this wine color. This is the pleat part. Now another Sharo's design on pure Gachi by Gachi Toshor. Price 9800. It's a self-color dyed tassar. See, the pleat part. It's a floral design, and in your yoke part, this design will go like this. $9800 is the price. Pure Gachi by Gachi tassar. Blouse 9800. Now one Vishnupuri Katan silk. Price is 7500. Price is 7500. The color of the base color of the saree is very unique. Very unique color. It's called Ganga Jal color. See this combination. We have used red, yellow with the black with the highlighting color. Base color is very nice. We have seen a lot of tassar color, off-white color, but this color is very unique color. Those who don't want booties in all over the saree, this design is very goes মানে very খুব ভালো লাগে দেখতে। ডিজাইনটা এত সুন্দর লাগে, বুটি ছাড়া খুব সুন্দর লাগে, খুব এলিগেন্ট লাগে ডিজাইনটা। 7500 Vishnupuri 4-ply Katan silk. $7500 আর এটা হলো ব্লাউজ। ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা আরেকটা বিষ্ণুপুরি সরি পিওর ব্যাঙ্গালোর সিল্কে এই ডিজাইনটাও খুব সুন্দর। অল ওভার শাড়ি এরকম কাজ, অল ওভার শাড়ি খুব ব্রাইট। দোজ মানে যারা নতুন বিয়ে করেছো বা বিয়ে হবে, আইবুড়ো ভাতে পরবে, এই কালারটা অসাধারণ লাগে। বা বিয়ে পরের দিন সকালে একটু সুন্দর সেজে এই কালার গুলো যদি তোমরা পরো খুব সুন্দর লাগবে, কারণ খুব গ্লোয়িং কালার। মানে অল ওভার শাড়ি কিন্তু এরকম কাজ, অল ওভার শাড়ি, এই যে অল ওভার শাড়ি জুড়ে এই কাজটা যাচ্ছে। মানে কাঁথা ওয়ার্ক ইজ কমপ্লিটলি খুব মানে কভারেজটা পুরো খুব নিট, একদম ফুল কভারেজ, একদম কাঁথা, very neat. It's like a carpet weave. It is a running blouse pieces. All sari has silk mark and blouse. 7500 is the price. Pure Bangalore silk with silk mark. Pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar kalamkari. See this beauty. Very pretty sari. It's a completely katha with multicolored thread on pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. All over katha on pure Gachi Tasar kalamkari. Price is 9800. Price for this one is 9800. This is the aanchal, all over body, all over will be this. এটা হলো ব্লাউজ। Now very pretty saree on Vishnupuri Katan silk, one of my favorite design. It's a dark maroon, it's a bridal collection. Any Bengali bride can wear this saree on their special day, very special day. It's a partly pallu design. This will come in the pleat part. See. Price this one is for 8800. This saree took it's a long time. Average time will be 1.2 year. See the design. It's very intricate and very complicated design. And the color of the silk is very nice, very gorgeous. It's a velvet maroon color. And in the pleat part, in the both side of your border, you will get this broad border. And in the pleats part, see this design. Price for this one is 8800. Vishnupuri 4-ply Katan silk. Now another saree with cut work pallu. The rainbow design. We have used hand block print and gun spray dyeing with the hand jari mirror setting. So these all are technique we have used for this saree. See, very nice color. It's a rainbow color. Pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Material is pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. This will come in your all over body design. It's the blouse with this small side cut work. Pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Now another color combination of this series. See this color also. Very nice color. It's a green base. This also has a double color border, green and yellow. Chanderi cotton silk, very high quality with Banarasi border. And the technique we have used is a Katha, French knot and hand painting with this Banarasi border sari. Very nice. Apart from silk and tassar, these are very gorgeous and very unique. French knot Katha with sequin work. Price is 6800. Price is 6800. See the work of the border. It's a completely jari border. And this is the blouse. Green. Price 6800. Now another color, very smart color. Vishnupuri 4-ply Katan silk. Price for this one is 7800. It's a all over Minakari Katha. Check this color. Wow. Very unique color. It's a cross color, double color weave of royal blue and grey. It's a double color weave of royal blue and grey. Very nicely done. It's a Minakari Katha with all over sari. I'm showing you the drape pattern. $7800 is the price, and this is the blouse. If you want to book any saree from today's video, you have to WhatsApp with the screenshot, and please do send us feedback with your comments so that we get to know what do you want or how we are working. So thank you, Divas. Thank you so much.